house in South Brisbane presents a visionary response to the connection deficit phenomenon often seen in modern vertical housing. Designed by Koichi Takada Architects for developer Aria, the building is more than just a residence, but a curvilinear work of art that aims to balance the fast-paced pace of urban life with the mental well-being of its residents. Inspired by the Moreton Bay fig tree, the facade is adorned with wooden roots that extend to the roof, creating an organic visual identity while honoring cultural heritage through artwork by Indigenous artist Judy Watson in the Podium area. The structure is explicitly designed to encourage social interaction through the provision of 1,000 square meters of communal facilities. The building's crowning feature is a 3-story open deck that serves as a retreat and wellness space, where wooden elements form a pergola that shelters the lush garden. Here, architecture acts as a bridge connecting people with nature and each other, celebrating biodiversity amidst Brisbane's subtropical cityscape. Entering the interior, Upper House emphasizes the principles of serenity and flexibility for its residents. The use of natural materials, high ceilings, and expansive window openings create a breathable space filled with natural light, providing a calming contrast to the noise outside. By combining dynamic cityscapes with warm, organic elements, the project successfully creates a residential ecosystem that allows each individual to slow down, breathe, and feel truly connected to their surroundings.